In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find GoDaddy Renewal discount promo codes so you can save money on your domain, hosting, or other services. Renewal prices are often higher than first-time purchase prices, so knowing where to look for discounts can make a big difference over time. I'll walk you step by step through the safest and most effective ways to find legitimate GoDaddy Renewal promo codes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any hidden opportunities. And if this video helps you save money, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple money-saving tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go directly to GoDaddy.com. It's always best to start on the official website so you can verify any promotions directly from the source. Once the homepage loads, take a quick look around to see if there are any banners advertising current deals. Sometimes renewal promotions are displayed right on the homepage, especially during seasonal sales or special events. Next, scroll all the way down to the footer at the bottom of the page. In the footer section, look for links labeled Offers, Promos, or Deals. These links usually take you to a page that lists current promotions available through GoDaddy. Click on those links and carefully browse through the available offers. While many deals focus on new purchases, you can often find renewal discounts listed during promotional periods. Take your time here and read the terms to see whether the discount applies to renewals specifically. After that, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to your account dashboard. Sometimes GoDaddy provides personalized renewal offers directly inside your account. Check your dashboard notifications, messages, or billing section. If your domain or hosting plan is close to expiring, GoDaddy may display a renewal reminder along with a special discount offer to encourage you to renew early. Now, open your email inbox and search for newsletters from GoDaddy. Use search terms like GoDaddy Renewal, GoDaddy Promo, or GoDaddy Discount Code. The company frequently sends promotional emails that include limited-time renewal codes. Make sure to also check your spam or promotions folder just in case those emails were filtered there. Another effective method is to search Google using phrases like GoDaddy Renewal Promo Code or GoDaddy Renewal Discount Code. This can help you find recent promotions shared by bloggers, deal websites, or even discussions in forums. Be sure to check the date of the article or post to make sure the code is current and not expired. You can also visit reputable coupon websites and search specifically for GoDaddy renewal codes. Sites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, and other well-known deal platforms often list active promo codes. When using coupon sites, focus on codes that clearly mention renewals, not just new customer discounts. It's a good idea to try a few different codes because some may work for certain products but not others. Once you find a promo code that looks promising, copy the code and return to your GoDaddy account. Start the renewal process for your domain or hosting plan. When you reach the checkout page, look for the box labeled Promo Code or Discount Code. Paste the code into that box and click Apply. The page should refresh and show the updated total with your discount applied. If the code doesn't work, try another one until you find a valid option. And that's it. Those are the most reliable ways to find GoDaddy renewal discount promo codes and reduce your renewal costs. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.